if you are a network marketer and you are on this platform, what I want you to understand is that our system, we are not going to look at PV, left leg, volumes, days, auto ship. No. The Emery pay plan is a synergistic pay plan, meaning that one person cannot run with it. You must always work as a team and build it together. How? You realize that when you sign up and you come on board as an associate, we have a board here, and you can see this board as Group A. The first 7 people on the board are already existing members who are already doing the business, including me. I can see Dr. Kennedy on the platform. Angela have also signed up. I saw Abna also here, who is one of our managers, and Angela too is an executive. And as I go through, you understand them. All these people are existing members on the board. Now, what makes it interesting is that everybody, that is the first 7 people up here, have the responsibility to complete the board, that's the 8 spaces below. So one person can bring 1 can bring 2, 1 can bring 3. Even if you have the numbers and you want to put all the 8 there, nobody will stop you. I hope you understand. So 1 can bring 2, 1 can bring 3, but at the end of the day, the board must be completed. And when the board is completed, the leader on the board, and please note, every leader in this business on a board is called a late. So this is an associate board. So the leader is called what? A late associate. So the leader, when the 15th person joins the board, the leader is promoted. And you are promoted from the associate level to executive. But I know there are questions. People will be asking, how did he or she become a leader? That's what I'm going to explain. When the leader is promoted, we are left with 14 people on the board. True or false? Good, I can hear you. 14 people on the board. So the remaining 14, we create 2 new boards for them. And we pick 2 new leaders to lead the board. So for the associate board, leadership is dependent on the number of people you have signed up, not the one who came in first. So in our business, leadership is based on performance. Now, let's go on. So you realize that when the leader is promoted, we have these people on board. So you realize that number 2 has registered 4 people. Number 3 has signed up 1 person. Number 5 has signed up 2 people. 7 has signed up 1 person. Number 9, who even joined the board, has been able to register how many people? 3, right? And number 11 has signed up for 2. Those without any numbers, meaning that they have not registered anybody. So when the board got completed and the leader was promoted, we need to create 2 new boards and pick leaders. Okay? The leaders are those who have signed up. That's why I said 2 members with high sponsor in Group A will become the leaders on the next group. So when we are picking leaders, the first leader should be number 2, right? He has signed up 4. So we place him there. Then we go and look for the one who has signed up more again, and that will be number what? 9. So you realize that it's not who came first, but it's the one who is working hard on the associate board. Then we share them according to the qualifications and the first in, first come simple. And that's how the whole board is done. So at least for now, we all appreciate how the leader is selected. When it comes to the payment of team bonus, if you are on the associate board and you have registered 1 person, like number 3 on Group A, right? I'm showing you on Group A, number 3. Number 3 has registered 1 person. So as people were coming on the board, whether he brought them or not, as long as they are coming on the board, for everybody who comes on the board, number 3 will get 1,800 Naira each, whether he or she brought that person on board, no problem. Then if you have, and you take it 1,800 times what? 8 for all the 8 people who come on the board. So you can start with 1 qualification, and when the qualification changes, you can get higher. But if you have sponsored 2 or more associates on the board, anytime somebody comes on board, you take 3,600 Naira, whether you brought that person or somebody on the board brought that person. So let's look at an example. Number 2 here, who has 4 people. As people are coming on board, let me even pick number 8. Number 2 is here. Immediately number 8 joined the board. Number 2, who has signed up 4 people, will be paid 3,600 naira. Number 3, on the same number 8, will be paid 1,800 naira. Number 5, because he already has 2, he to be paid 3,600 naira. All because number 8 has joined, right? Then when number 7 also joined, number 7 too will get 1,800 naira because it's only 1. But those who have 2 or more, they are taking the 3,006. Number 5 and number 2, they will be taking 3,006. So that is also times 8. Okay. Now let's check something. You realize that when the board got completed and we created group A1, number 3 came to group A1. Are you seeing him? Yes. Number 3 came here, and because he has come here, though he's not a leader, but he had a qualification on the previous board, so he carries the qualification along. So if this board is also getting completed, number 3, whether he has signed up another person or not, and he's just maintaining the same person, he will still get another payment here. So with just one qualification, you can cycle 20 times. And when we say a cycle, means that one board has completed, and with the same qualification, you move it to another board, and you can get another payment as well. What about the leaders? On the associate board, immediately you become a leader, you are paid 57,960 naira as leadership bonus or elite bonus. So like number 2 and number 9, just occupying the spaces, whether people come on board or not, for just occupying the leadership position, at that same second, they are paid 57,960 naira. And our payments here are real time. You occupy the position, it is paid to you. But for the leaders, they don't take from 8 to 15. They take from 8 to 14, a standard amount. So you realize that though people were coming on board and other members were getting 1,800 naira and 3,600 naira. But because they are leaders, he will take from number 8 to the number 14, and each person, the leader, that the elite on the board, is taking 11,520 naira per person. So he's doing it from 8 to 14. And again, when it gets to the 15th person, we call it the golden handshake. That's why it is gold there. We use it to congratulate the leader and tell him that you have been a great leader for your board to be completed. So for the 15th person alone, you are paid 34,920 naira for just occupying, ensuring that your board is completed on the 15th person. And again, you must be promoted. So you take your promotional bonus on the associate board, and you take another, and that is another 57,960 naira on the associate board. So you realize that even just on the associate board, before you be promoted, or even if you cycle once, you are looking at no less than 231,000 naira, 231,480 naira. This is what happens on the associate board.